So let's talk about how to create a free store on flutterwave.com. So I have a video that covers everything about Flutterwave already, but I want to talk about how to create store and start selling things online for basically free. So the good thing with Flutterwave is that they allow you to create your store for free, and they equally allow you to take payment, and it's better for you because people trust Flutterwave more than they trust you. So if you have a small business and people are struggling to send money to you directly, you can use Flutterwave. So after you registered your account, this account is still in the test mode. So everything we are doing here is going to be temporary. So here it says you can receive payments, you can create and send invoice, and you can start selling online. So if you come to store here, you click on store. We don't have any store yet, and you can basically just click on create a store, and boom, all you have to do is click on set up store here, and you can name your store. And once you name your store, you can start adding products to them. So this can be the name of your store, or you can change it. So this is going to be the store URL. So it's showing this because this account is not verified yet. So you can change it. You can say maybe, so let's say maybe good meals. All right. So you come here, you select your category of your store. We are going to, let's say maybe it's under, let me just say phones and tablets. So let me just change this to good deals. All right. So come here, you write a short description about your store. This is your #1 gadgets store. Of course, in your case, you have to write what you sell. So this is a test shop. So if you come down here, you can select like a banner for your shop. All right. And then you can equally select an image that when they share your store, it's going to follow it. So this is more like a branding stuff. So you can come here, just click on replace image, and then you can select your own image from your own computer or your phone. So I'm just going to use this one. So you can crop it if you wanted. So this is fine. You can just save this and say upload. So now that's going to be our store banner. You can add this one if you wanted, but I don't think this one is very necessary. So come here, you click on create store. So our store has been successfully created, but our store does not have any product yet, and we need to add a product to it to make sure that people can buy from our store. As you can see now, we now have different things here. But let's add a product to our store. So you come here, you click on add a product. So there are two ways to do this. You can add a product from here, or you can come here to add a product. So just click on add product, and then you are going to name the product. So you have to add all your products that you want to sell. So I'm just going to call this iPhone XR. All right. So you write what this is about. This is the latest iPhone. So you come here, you want to put don't do this actually. Don't put any YouTube link, because what happens is that in most cases it will take people out to YouTube, and you don't want that. So you come here, you add the price of this item. Let's say you want to sell it for maybe 200,000. Put it here. Let's say you want to create a before and after price. You can say maybe this used to be 225,000. And then you want them to show the discount in currency value. So you can come here, add the weight of the item. Let's say this weighs just 20. And then you can equally select the number of items you have. Let's say we have just 10 of these phones. So you write 10. So you can say You can check this if you want. So I'm just going to check only one. So you want to select category where these things are. So you can come here, click on, we have not created any category, so you can create it now. You can just say iPhones. So let's say if you sell different kind of phones, iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, Google Pixel, whatever, you create their own categories so that people can easily find them. So you click on save this category, and then now you can select the category. All right, so you can select in the marketplace where it should be. You can come here and select the category, that is if you are listed in the marketplace. All right, so if this doesn't work, you can basically ignore it. You can add options like this, let's say size or color. Let's say this, the color you have here, you can say black, you can say black or gold or whatever. So you can add more options. Let's say you have different colors, different sizes, you can add them as much as you have. So right here at the top here, you can add a picture of the phone. You can add up to 5 pictures. So you click here again, you want to select the product pictures. So I'm just going to select these 2, but you can add up to 5. So these are the product pictures. So we are basically done. So all you have to do is just come here, click on save and preview. So our product has been listed and our shop has equally been, it has been created. So we basically have a free shop online on Flutterwave for free. So as you can see, this because this website is this store is not yet verified, we cannot use the store link for now. So now this is a product we listed. All right, so you can come down here and then you can manage your store. You can set a shipping if you do free shipping, or places that you ship to. So if you come to manage store, this is where you find your store link. This is going to be our store link, but it doesn't look like our store is. Let's try to turn this on. So our store is basically offline because this account has not been verified yet. So, but however, this is going to be your store link and people can see it and come to purchase from it. So you can add VATs, you can activate back in store notification, you can apply to join the Flutterwave marketplace so that people who are searching things on Flutterwave can see your product. You can equally activate announcements and all of that. So this is where you set a shipping address, so you can select a shipping type. So let's say you have your own shipping, or you can even use Flutterwave's shipping partners. So let's say you do your own delivery, you can set your own shipping. Come here, add a region, let's say Lagos, or even mainland, island. You can come here and set the price. You can see Lagos. Lagos is let's say 3,000. You can add another one, Abuja, let's say 3,000. You can add as much as possible. So people from these locations, let's say we say Benin, let's say 2,500. All right, so once you are done, these are going to be your these things are going to appear to the people who are going to be buying from this region. So anybody who is not in this region may not be able to purchase, so you want to pay attention to that. Now if you come here, you can select the template for your store. So they have different ways that you can display your store. So your store can display this way, or this way, or this way, anyone that you want. So usually I think this one is the final one, so you can click on use templates, and our template has been activated. So if you wanted to create the categories on ground, you can basically come here, click on create categories, and currently there are no categories, but you can come here, click on new. We created one category actually, Or you can create new categories. Let's say Samsung. Then you just add it. So anytime you are listing your item, you can just select the categories. All right, so here is where you create discount code. So if you want people to get discounts, you can come here, create a code. So you can say, let's say maybe the code should be maybe August 23. So you can say you want to apply this discount per product, and then you can select the particular product that this discount will apply to. So you can say this one, click on apply, and then here you want to set the discount amount that they get when they apply that code. Let's say maybe 2,000 naira. So it's only a fixed amount. So you can say limited times of this discount can be used in total. Let's say maybe just one person, or you can just say limit to one use per person, which is very simple. So you can set the start date for this discount. So let's say you want to start it on the 6th of August and end it on the 31st of August. So after that, this code will stop running. So you can basically click on save discounts, and it says it cannot be less than 7 characters. You can say August. So you come here, click on save discounts, and all you have to do is to just share this discount to people as a promo code, as a discount code. They can just use it. They'll add it at the end of their purchase. They will be able to buy for a discounted 2,000 naira. So this is where you find all the customers who purchased from you. This is where you find all the products that you have created. You can add as much product as possible. This is where you find all the orders that you have. So this is basically how you can create a store on Flutterwave and start selling online for basically free. So the store is free, but Flutterwave charges you for each transaction that you carry out, which is fair to me. However, let's see if we can now look at our store. So if you click on store, you should be able to copy this link and you can go and look at it. So because this account is not yet activated, I would not be able to see this store. But anytime you wanted to edit the store, you can just come here, click on edit, and you can do anything that you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do. So I hope this video helps you. Please like the video if it does, and subscribe. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video or videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.